I'm currently in Kanazawa, but I'm about to head to Toyama for a day trip. I wanted to do an image comparison today with the Meta Ray-Ban displays and the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2s. But someone has asked me if the image of the Meta displays was worse than that of the Gen 2s, and we'll do some comparisons today, but from what I've seen so far, it is worse than the Gen 2s, but we'll see, we'll compare anyways and see if that's true. That was my train, I'm about to miss my train. Starting with photos, both glasses uses a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and honestly, the results are nearly identical in daylight. The big difference, on the displays, I can actually see a viewfinder in my lens to frame the shot perfectly, whereas with the Gen 2s, I'm just aiming with my face and hoping for the best. Alright, so I've made it to Toyama, and as I was trying to say before I almost missed my train, I want to do an image comparison between the Meta Ray-Ban displays. Is that what I'm wearing? These are the Gen 2s and the Meta Ray-Ban displays, which are in here in my pocket. But yeah, let's do some comparisons with these glasses. I'm headed over to the Castle Park right now, so let's start off over there. Moving into video, this is where the gaps start to show. The Ray-Ban Gen 2 handles 3K video at 30 frames per second, giving you a lot more detail for cropping or social media. The Meta displays, however, maxes out at 1440 by 1920. In these clips, you can see the Gen 2 looks slightly sharper, especially in the textures of the pavement and the trees. They'll both do a great job with the stabilization. So yeah, that's the castle here in Toyama. Now let's head over to Kansui Park. Hopefully that's what it's called. Hopefully I'm saying it right. And it's starting to snow too, so this will be fun to walk over there. See you at the park. Alright, so I made it to the park. It's a pretty big park, so we're gonna walk around and explore this place a little bit. But the main thing I see here is, can I see it here in the shot? There's a huge Starbucks across the lake. Yeah, that's what I usually expect when I come to a park. Let's check out the park. When we look at color science, both pairs use Meta's latest ISP to handle HDR, but I've noticed the Gen 2 feels a bit more consistent with exposure. Since the Meta display is busy powering a 600 pixel screen and tracking neural gestures from the wristband, it feels like the video bitrate might be slightly lower to keep the thermals in check. It's not a deal breaker, but for pure content creation, the Gen 2 still feels like the pro camera choice. So yeah, that was the park. I'm actually gonna head back to Kanazawa because it takes like an hour and a half to get back over there, but we'll do some night comparisons once I get back over to that city. So yeah, I'll see you over in Kanazawa. Alright, so I did check out some of the footage when I was back in my hotel room, and they both look good, honestly, especially in good light. When you have the footage side by side, you can kind of tell which one's the Gen 2s and which one's the Meta displays, but on their own, they both look good. The footage and the pictures out of both of them look great, so... Oh, shit. Where was I at? But yeah, it's nighttime now here in Kanazawa, so let's do some comparisons of both these glasses. I don't have a lot of hope because the Meta glasses don't really perform well in low light, but let's check it out anyways. Finally, the night test. Low light is the ultimate test for these tiny sensors. You'll notice some noise in the shadows on both, but the Gen 2's higher resolution helps keep the image from looking too mushy. The Meta display does hold its own, but you can see a bit more hunting in the highlights. If you're filming late night videos, the Gen 2 is giving you just a bit more usable data to work with in post. But yeah, that's a comparison between the Gen 2 Metas and the Meta displays. What'd you think? Were the Meta displays that much worse than the Gen 2s? Let me know what you think. I'm gonna head inside right now because it is starting to rain. This sucks. See ya.